Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amara here. Today I want to show us how I made this mayonnaise. I made it in my kitchen and this is what I use for Christmas and New Year salad dressing. So these are the things that you need. First, you need a cup of oil, a cup of vegetable oil, then a bowl of egg. You can increase this depending on the quantity you want to do. Then your lemon juice, what this lemon does is for preservation. You can as well use your apple cider vinegar. Then this is sugar and salt. Then you need your blender. This is the type that I have, but there are other ones that you can use, the immersion blender. Then you need a plate or a bowl, then a spatula that you can use to bring out the finished product. So this is the procedure proper. First thing is bring your blender or whatever you want to use, then open it, break in the egg inside it. So I'm going to break the egg now. Break the egg and make sure that no particle from the back of the egg enters there. You can even break this in a plate before pouring it here. Then place it on the blender and mix for about 15 seconds. So that is what I'm doing here. So I'm counting it is. So after 15 seconds you will now add the sugar and the salt. You can reduce the quantity of sugar that you want to add depending on how you want it to be. That's why you are doing it yourself. If you don't want big sugar, you can just add small quantity. So when you add the sugar and salt, you allow it also to blend. So while it is blending, then this is the time that you can squeeze out your lemon juice. Or if you've not done that, then if you have apple cider vinegar, then you can just keep it at the side. You can get a spoon of that apple cider vinegar or a spoon of this. I have used this lemon juice before, that's why the quantity I'm squeezing out is small. Then remove the seeds from it. You need to remove the seeds, then is remaining a small quantity of the juice. Then after this, pour the juice inside the egg and the sugar mixture. Follow everything I'm doing. If you jump any procedure, it will affect it. Then allow it to blend together for another 15 seconds. So while it is blending, you can now tidy up the surrounding of where you are doing, just like I did now. So allow it to blend. Then you now start adding oil. The oil in small quantity and mix. So I'm going to show you now. I'm adding it small quantity. Then when you add, you now blend. When you add, you blend. Make sure that the quantity of oil you are using is not more than 1 cup, not big milk cup, because it will be too big. So after some time you add the remaining oil and mix. Make sure it mixes very well. This is where you're going to get the consistency of your mayonnaise. So allow it to mix, then allow it to mix. So you can see that the color is changing from the body of this blender. The blending jug, the color is already changing. So you continue to blend. But if you have an immersion blender, that is the best thing that you can use to do this. But I don't have it, so I'm using what I have. So use what you have in your kitchen to achieve this. The immersion one will make it to be thicker than the blender one. So after blending for about 30 seconds, then this is the final product. If you test this thing that I just did now, it tastes like a nice mayonnaise. And you know that mayonnaise is becoming costly, especially for people in Nigeria. So you can do this for your family when you don't want to buy the store ones, or you just want to know what you are eating. You can buy this. You can do this. So this is the end product. I'm going to scoop out some quantity that I want to use for my bread dressing. I want to use it to eat bread this morning, but you can as well use it for your salad. So this is it. This is what will serve as my breakfast this morning: pear and mayonnaise and some bread. Then this is the final product that I'm going to store this in my fridge, or best in your freezer, and it can stay for 1 week, it can stay for 1 month. The last one I did stayed for 2 weeks because it's just small quantity that I did, but this one will last. Thank you.